Look at the clock, it says noon. Suddenly, you feel hungry. But is that hunger real, or did the clock invent it? 3 meals a day feels like a law of nature. It is not. It is one of the strangest habits we never question. For most of human history, people did not eat 3 meals. Your stomach does not own a watch. Somebody handed it one. The schedule on your plate was built by accident, money, and machines. Travel back to ancient Rome, where the rules were very different. Romans ate 1 main meal a day, called cena, in the afternoon. Eating in the morning was seen as a sign of weakness. To eat before noon was the mark of a glutton or a drunk. Breakfast carried shame. The day's real food came later together. Medieval Europe kept this suspicion of the early morning meal alive for centuries. The church taught that eating too soon revealed a lack of self-control. So how did breakfast climb back onto the table? The answer begins with workers, fields, and the rising sun. Farm laborers needed fuel before dawn for hours of brutal physical work. A heavy early meal made sense when your body was the engine. Then the machines arrived. The Industrial Revolution dragged millions of people into factories and mills. Work was now timed by the clock, and the factory whistle, not the sun. Meals had to fit around shifts, not around your stomach. Factory bells split the day into rigid, identical blocks of labor. Breakfast before the shift, a midday break, dinner after the whistle blew. The 3-meal day was not chosen for health. It served the production line. Carroll traced how American breakfast became a cultural and commercial ritual. In her book 3 Squares, she shows meals as social inventions, not biology. Carroll argues we did not inherit 3 meals from nature. We engineered them. And then breakfast found something more powerful than habit, an industry. In the late 1800s, Americans complained of constant indigestion and fatigue. Heavy, meaty breakfasts were blamed for the nation's troubled stomachs and nerves. At his Michigan sanitarium, Kellogg pushed a lighter, grain-based morning meal. In 1894, he and his brother accidentally created flaked cereal from stale dough. A health experiment quietly became one of the biggest businesses on Earth. Within decades, cereal turned breakfast into a billion-dollar industry. Advertising did the rest. Companies told you breakfast was sacred. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That famous phrase was popularized by people selling you breakfast. Bacon's rise as a breakfast staple was driven by a 1920s marketing campaign. Bernays, the father of public relations, sold bacon and eggs as science. He asked doctors to endorse a hearty breakfast. Sales soared. 3 meals a day is not biology. It is marketing dressed as tradition. And the science behind always eat breakfast is far weaker than you were told. Many studies linking breakfast to health were funded by food companies. Modern research suggests meal timing matters less than total food and quality. Studies on intermittent fasting show some people thrive on fewer, later meals. Others feel best with small, frequent snacks. Bodies genuinely differ. There is no single eating schedule that fits all human beings. The point is not that breakfast is bad or good for everyone. The point is that the rule itself was never truly yours. Hunger is honest, the clock is not. Your ancestors ate when there was food, work, and daylight. You eat when a schedule, built long ago, tells you to. Next time noon strikes and your stomach growls, pause for one moment. Ask whether that hunger is real or simply very well trained.